How many of you have the memory of taking your babies in these strollers to all these parks? Well, now babies are grown up into teenagers, and teenagers don't want to come to the park with us. So we four friends decided to buy a fun card and visit the park. We went in the evening to beat the rush and beat the humidity. It was sprinkling, so the weather was nice. We roam around, didn't bother to follow the map. We all four just wanted to have some good time. The rides weren't something on our list, so we just browsed around, saw the animals, took this air ride. Yes, that was fun. This was something that we could do. Maybe next time we can try something bit adventurous, but right now this was fun for us. So after that we ate at a restaurant, I think at Zagora Cafe, and headed back home because the park closes at 8 p.m.